According to local authorities, the hailstorm lasted for over an hour and left many areas blanketed in layers of ice. Video and photos shared on social media show the extent of the damage, with cars buried under piles of hailstones and rooftops collapsing under the weight of the ice. Residents in Guangxi, Ganzhou, Jiangxi Province, China were caught off guard by a severe hailstorm that hit the region on Tuesday afternoon. The sudden and intense storm pounded the area with hailstones the size of eggs, causing widespread damage to homes, vehicles, and crops. Emergency services were quickly deployed to the affected areas, with firefighters and volunteers working to clear the streets of debris and assist residents whose homes were damaged. While there were no immediate reports of injuries or fatalities, the scale of the damage is expected to be significant, with estimates suggesting that thousands of homes have been affected. The hailstorm is believed to have been caused by a cold front moving southward, with collided with warm and moist air from the south. This created unstable atmospheric conditions, leading to the formation of thunderstorms and hail. Among them, the largest hailstone in Sichuan County has a diameter of 30 mm, and the visual inspection reached about 300 to 500 grains per square meter. The road was covered with hail and seriously affecting traffic. Some residents described the hailstone as the size of a ping pong ball. The hailstone piled up on the road with a thickness of about 20 centimeters, making it impossible for vehicles to pass normally.